Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into MiningBlocks. We're going to be doing a super quick update, looking at the latest changes to the platform and also looking at some possible upcoming updates. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, and here we are in MiningBlocks, and as always, do remember to post any comments, questions below this video. It's always great to hear from you guys. I love to hear your perspectives and input, so make sure you get that done. Okay, so MiningBlocks, it's been a while since we've been in here. There's not been a whole lot of changes to my actual account, to be quite honest, but you will notice something different right here with this loyalty bonus. Now we're going to get into that later, explain that, what that's all about, but for now let's just quickly look at one of the recent updates, and that is the reward adjustment to all tokens or coins, whatever you want to call them. So they look pretty positive. It looks pretty much pluses right across the board. So XTC is going to be up from 0.7 to 0.08, so 0.07 to 0.08. Doge is going from 0.4 up to 0.5. LTC is going from 85416 to 103,000. Matic is going from 0.10 up to 0.11, and ADA or Cardano is going from 0.9 up to 0.09 up to 0.23. So that is, I mean, on Cardano, that is a massive jump. To be quite honest, that's really good. It is a coin that I have been collecting. We actually did a payment proof maybe 2 or 3 videos ago where I actually withdrew something like about 15 or 20 Cardano from the site. You can see here we're nearly up to 6 again on collected, and obviously we've got some nearly 6 Tezos and stuff like that as well. Also as well, remember guys, for those of you that are loyal to my mining pool, which is, you know, I can't even remember what it's called. Matic Miners, you guys do get a gift reward of 0.3 blocks divided amongst everybody that is in that pool. And also as well, remember, for those of you that remain loyal and don't just jump out after the first reward, that is every single day I will give that. And if I happen to miss a day, so if I happen to miss 1, 2 or 3 days, I will always catch up. So like we're saying, it's 0.3 every day, but if I miss say I miss 2 or 3 days, the next payout or gift I will give you guys is 0.9. If it's 3 days, I'll give you 0.9. If it's 2 days, I'll give you 0.6. Sometimes I've ended up giving away or, you know, gifting in a one lump sum, something like about 1.5 block, because I've just missed that many days. But I will always catch up with you guys. So just remember that for those of you that stay loyal to my pool, you will be getting those gifts every single day. Okay, so like I say, that is a real positive. Everything has gone up right across the board when it comes to the reward adjustment, which is what we like to see. And for those of you that don't know a whole lot about MiningBlocks, but think it looks like a fun and interesting way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to a tutorial. Now that's going to give you a lot more information and a better understanding of how the program works and what you need to be doing to get your accounts up and running and earn yourself some of those free coins. But if you go right the way to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. So loyalty bonus, here we go. Loyalty bonus has been released. Every day you claim on Faucet, Offerwall or Shortlink, you will get a plus 1% in your loyalty bonus. If you miss a day, you will be restored back to 1%. So basically, unlike, because like, what is it? Some of the other programs that have loyalty bonuses, like say Contract Miner, that has a loyalty bonus, but that doesn't change, or you don't drop down unless you don't log in for, I think it's 48 hours. So it's not every day that they expect you to log in, but if you don't log in for 48 hours, that will drop you back to 0. Laravel Faucet did a similar thing, that if you did that, basically your loyalty bonus built up, but then if you didn't log in for a while, that dropped down. There's another one as well that we use, and I can't think of what it is. I'm looking at my list of programs we use. Well, Crypto Pirates, that has obviously loyalty points. If you don't log in, I think you lose 10 every single day that you're not logged in and don't do anything on the site. So there are programs that do this. Obviously, these guys are saying that if you've got to log in every single day, which I think is a little bit much. I would prefer to see at least 48 hours before you drop back down to that 1%, because sometimes we just can't get to log into sites. So, but anyway, it's great to see that they have added something like this to the site. So it says here, loyalty bonus will increase your earnings from Faucet, Offerwall, and Shortlinks. Example: if you got one block from Offerwall and you have 50% of loyalty bonus, you'll get a 1.5 block as a reward. So basically, you get the one block from the offer, and then you get 50% bonus reward. And then it says here, example, having 100% rewards in Offerwalls plus 50% as a loyalty bonus, then you earn one block from Offerwall. You will get one block from the Offerwall plus one block from event plus a 0.5 blocks from loyalty bonus equals 2.5 blocks. Although I did read somewhere that they were saying that they weren't stackable. So I'm not sure where I read that, but it did say that that certain rewards or bonuses were not stackable. So, but anyway, obviously we'll see with the next big event and see how that works out. But like I say, I do, once again, I know I do say this quite often about MiningBlocks, but the fact these guys are now, what is it, 3 years old, 4 years old, something like that, 2 or 3 years old, and they're still pushing the site forward, still coming up with new stuff, still trying to create, a better member experience all the while. I do really commend any site that does that, and obviously they are still paying as well. So this is one program that we can definitely give a thumbs up right now. And yeah, so that is all good. I did do some PTC ads in drip offer. If we look here, you can see I did the drip offers, and then that was my loyalty bonus from doing those those few PTC ads, because my loyalty bonus right now is 5%. So every day that you log in, you're going to get an extra percent, which is nice. Like I said, the only thing I would like to see is that be changed to 48 hours. That if you haven't logged in for 48 hours, then that drops back down to 1%. But I think every day is a little bit too much to expect. But anyway, that's just me. But like I say, I do commend the site for adding this anyway. Okay, so the other thing that possibly might be coming, I found this. So if we look here, so it says, so this, if you see in the left-hand column, what is highlighted is games. But if we look in our column right here, on the left hand side. So the left hand side of the picture, so should I say, you'll see it highlighted orange, it says games. But in our column right there, that is not available at the moment. So that is why I'm assuming this is something that might be coming in the future. So, and it says basically you catch coins for 60 seconds, click start. So I don't know what the reward is going to be. Is it going to be that you're going to collect the coins? Or is it going to be that basically depending on what your score is, depending, where you are on the leaderboard or something like that, how much you get rewarded? Will you be rewarded in coins? Will you be rewarded in bonus percentage? There's a lot of things that it could be. Because even though the game is collect coins, doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to be rewarded in coins. I would imagine it's going to be something like the coin click game that's in Roller Coin, where you've got coins falling from the sky and you've got to click on them, something like that, which is relatively easy. So the fact that if this site is actually starting to come up with ideas to develop their own games, because if you remember in the past, we actually had a game Faucet, which was very easily manipulated and abused by cheaters. So they got rid of that. But now if they're actually looking to bring in their own games, that again is worthy of, compliments to the site. Because the fact, again, it's something new that they're trying to come up with and develop to make a better member experience for you guys. So like I say, anything like that from any site, I do really commend and, fully support. Obviously, you just got to make sure that, there's no sort of backdoors, nothing that can be used by hackers, cheaters, abusers, anything like that. Obviously, as well, make it so it is sort of random the way the coins fall, because otherwise people will use things like auto clickers and stuff like that to get around it. So there's lots of things to consider when bringing anything to the site, especially with games like that. Obviously Roller Coin have had years and years of people trying to cheat their games using various different methods, bots, all that kind of stuff. So I would just say, as a word of warning to MiningBlocks, just be sort of vigilant and be aware that the first thing people are going to do is try and figure a way to scam it. So if they can get around that, then that'd be brilliant, and we can just have a fun game on the site, which will, like I say, will either earn us some kind of coin, some kind of percentage bonus maybe, I'm not sure. But like I say, if they bring that to the site, I think that will be a really good addition, because it'll be something quick that you guys can do. It'll probably be, I don't know if it'll be a one-off, like you can only use it once in 24 hours, or it might be something like every 15 minutes, every half an hour, you can use it. So if that's the case, then that will be absolutely brilliant, depending on obviously what the reward is. I mean, you could even give away Gigahash. You could get, I guess you could make it a random prize, random reward. You could get parts, you could get miners, you could get whatever. There could be a lot of things that could be the reward. But yeah, like I say, I think that would be a fun little game, and I look forward to that being added to the site. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there, short and sweet. I know there's not a whole lot of information being thrown around and updates by a lot of the programs that we're using, but I just wanted to bring that to you, make you aware of what is going on with MiningBlocks. And if you are interested in that tutorial I spoke about earlier, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can smash that like button, please, it really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.